This is a quick guide on how to find San Diego County inmates. So to get started, you can click on the link in the description and it'll take you to this specific San Diego County inmate search page. So you can utilize the resources here. You can also click, or you can just type in californiapublicrecords.org in your browser, and just hover over other records, select inmate search. You'll have multiple options for different counties and cities, so you can just click on San Diego here. You want to get started probably with the Sheriff's Department. These are going to be some of the more fairly recent arrests and people currently in the jail system here. So they have a database, plus there is an option to just request records. Like if you want something that's a little bit older, it's a manual submission. The database here will require a first name and a last name. Another way to research, because anytime somebody gets arrested, they eventually do have to go to court. You can also use the court system to find this information, and these records are going to be pretty old. So you're looking at fairly recent arrests of inmates, and also the very old records. So you just San Diego Superior Court, they have a database. You can click on that, just click online, and then it'll take you to this page, and you can search by party name. If you got a case number, you can also search by that. Another thing to notice here is you got right above the county resources here, you got neighboring counties. So people do drive around. There could be records in neighboring counties. You might want to look into that. There's also a statewide research information here. If you click on that, it'll take you to the main California page, and what you have here is all the different counties. If you click on all other counties, it'll give you a pretty large list of the cities and counties that we cover. Another thing that you should use is the prison database, which is the California Department of Corrections. And this is slightly different than local jails. These are typically felons or repeat offenders, and they have a sentence of over 12 months. So they get taken out of the local jail and sent to a state prison. And so this is a statewide database that you can use. And if you got a last name, you can search by that. If you got a case number, you can also search by that. One more thing to pay attention to is the name search box on top. Now this is a premium service, so there is a fee, but what this does, it doesn't just look at San Diego County or the state of California. It goes outside the state, and it pulls records on it's like a nationwide type of a check, and it's practically instantaneous. What's great is people do move around nowadays more than they used to, so there could be records in just about any state, and this gives you access to information. It kind of just compiles everything into a single database and saves you a lot of time. So check it out. Like I said, there should be a link in the description. Come on down and get started on your San Diego County inmate search.